In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your Chime card to Apple Pay on your iPhone. Once it's set up, you'll be able to make secure contactless payments in stores, online, and inside supported apps using just your iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. This is where all of your payment cards, transit cards, and digital passes are stored. If this is your first time using Apple Pay, your wallet may be empty. If you've already added other cards, you'll see them listed here. Now, tap the plus button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Apple will display a brief introduction to adding debit card and credit cards. Tap continue to move on to the next step. Now it's time to add your Chime debit card. Okay, so you have two options. You can use the iPhone or you can use the Chime's platform to add the card details manually if you prefer typing in the information yourself. You need to enter your card number, expiration date, security code, or the CVV, cardholder name if requested. Once everything looks correct, tap next. Apple will communicate with Chime to verify your card, and if your card is eligible, you will be asked to review and accept the cardholder agreement and terms of service. Okay? After verification is complete, your Chime debit card will be added to Apple Pay. All right? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add your Chime card to Apple Pay. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.